Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how my Meta AI is still working. Still I can make images, still I can animate the images which are unlimited, free, without watermarks. So as you can see, my Meta AI is still working. It's still animating. So let's try to solve this problem. So I will show you how I am using. Open your Meta AI, open new chat and make any image. When we click on image, we can see there is no option in Meta AI. So let's solve this problem. Go to new tabs, write vibes.ai and log in using your Google or Gmail or Instagram account. Once you are logged in, that's it. You can see all the same functions. So I will click on new chat and I will make an image. Here you can see all the same functions similar to the Meta AI. But I will show you how these belong to Meta AI. So I just created an image randomly. So let's animate this image. Click on the image and click animate. Once the video is complete, click on download. And when you download, you can see the Meta AI logo. But don't worry about the logo or watermark. There is another video where I have told you the method how to download the Meta AI video without watermark.